Hello, I'd like to check in, please.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our hotel. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, it's under the name Emma.
Let me check. Yes, Emma. A deluxe room for 3 nights?
That's correct. Is the room ready?
Yes, your room is ready. May I see your passport or ID card?
Here is my passport. Do I need to fill out any forms?
Just this registration card, please. Just sign at the bottom.
How much is the total cost for the stay?
The total is $300. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
Room details and amenities.
Which floor is my room on, and how do I get there?
You are in room 502 on the 5th floor. The elevators are right behind you.
Does the room have a good view of the city?
Yes, your room has a balcony with a beautiful city view.
Is there a safe in the room for my valuables?
Yes, there is an electronic safe inside the wardrobe.
How do I access the Wi-Fi?
You can use your room number and last name to log in.
Is the Wi-Fi free or do I have to pay extra?
It is completely free for all our guests.
Porter and luggage.
Can someone help me with these heavy bags?
Certainly, our bellboy will take your luggage to your room.
Thank you for bringing the bags. Where should I put them?
I will place them here on the luggage rack for you, sir.
Can you show me how the air conditioning works?
Sure, you can adjust the temperature using this remote on the wall.
Restaurant and food.
What time is breakfast served?
Breakfast is served from 6:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. at the Green Cafe.
Is breakfast a buffet or a la carte?
It's a full international buffet with many options.
Can I have breakfast sent to my room?
Yes, you can call room service, but there is a small delivery charge.
I am a vegetarian. Do you have veg options in the menu?
Yes, we have a variety of vegetarian and vegan dishes available.
Can I get a cup of coffee now?
Of course, I'll bring it to your table right away.
Room service and housekeeping.
Hello, room service. I'd like to order a club sandwich.
Certainly. Anything else to drink with that?
Just a bottle of mineral water, please. How long will it take?
It will take about 15 to 20 minutes to reach your room.
Could you please clean my room now?
I'm sorry, the cleaners are busy. Can we come in 30 minutes?
That's fine. Also, we need 2 extra pillows.
No problem. We will bring them when we come to clean.
The shower in my bathroom is not working properly.
I apologize for the trouble. I will send a technician immediately.
Do you provide laundry service here?
Yes, if you leave your clothes in the laundry bag, we will collect them.
Hotel facilities.
Where is the swimming pool located?
The pool is on the rooftop and it's open until 9 p.m.
Do I need to bring my own towel to the pool?
No, we provide fresh towels at the pool desk.
Is there a business center where I can print some documents?
Yes, it's on the ground floor next to the lobby.
Can I use the sauna for free?
Yes, the sauna and steam room are free for all staying guests.
Checkout and feedback.
What is the checkout time?
Our standard checkout time is 11 a.m.
Can I have a late checkout? My flight is in the evening.
We can extend it until 2 p.m. if that helps.
I'm ready to check out now. Here is the key card.
Thank you. Let me finalize your bill.
I had some drinks from the minibar last night.
No problem. I will add that to your final invoice.
Can I pay the bill with 2 different credit cards?
Yes, we can split the payment for you.
Could I get a printed receipt of my stay?
Certainly. Here is your detailed invoice.